In this video, I will guide you how you can type cute root symbol in Excel. For this, you need to put the equal sign and use the UNICHAR function and open the bracket, press 8731, close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. So if you want to calculate a cube root, use the power function or a caret. So for this you need to put the equal sign and type power, open the bracket, select the cells where you will put the value, comma, space, type 1 divide by 3, close the bracket, hit enter, and now type 27 for example, and here it is. So another formula is put the equal sign, type, select the cells, press shift and 6 to insert the caret symbol, open the bracket, 1 divide by 3, close the bracket, hit enter, and now type whatever, for example 30, and here it is. If you need to type this symbol often, you can tell Excel to swap a specific text strings for the symbol automatically. So copy this symbol and right click, go to the paste special and value, and now again copy it, and now head to the file, go to the more, click on the options and go to the proofing and go to the autocorrect option, and in the replace box type a shortcut, for example backslash cube root, and in the with box control V to paste the cube root symbol, and if it's not inserting then press the alt key and on the numeric side keypad type 8731 and release the alt key, and now head to the head and now click OK, click OK, and now type backslash cube root, hit enter, and it is. Moreover, if we want to combine the cube root symbol with a value so it looks professional like this one, so you can use a formula to join text and numbers together. So if you want a cell to show the symbol followed by a number you are calculating, use the ampersand to join them. So you need to put this formula. So put the equal signs and double quote, and on the numeric side keypad press the alt key and type 8731 and release the alt key. Again double quote, space, ampersand, and put the values, for example 27, and hit enter, and here it is. Another way is the custom number formatting, which is the best method because it keeps the cell as a real number you can use in other math but display the symbol in front. So for this you need to type the 27 in a cell and then right click and go to the format cells. So on the number tab click the customs. So in the type box remove the general and paste the following double quote, this one, double quote, and hash, and click OK. So now the cell looks like that. Excel still treat it as a number 27 for your formulas. So you can also use the concatenate with UNICHAR. If you can't easily copy paste the symbol, use the UNICHAR function directly in your formula and type equal signs UNICHAR, press the open the bracket 8731, close the bracket, space, use the ampersand and select the cell reference, hit enter. And if the cell's value changed to 64 for example, and here you can see the results are changed. So I hope you understand how you can type cube root symbols in Excel with the different methods. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.